Okay, so siping is the process of making small grooves in the tire. So some tires come with this from the factory. It makes for a good winter tire because it absorbs the rain or the snow in these little slits. Hopefully you guys can see that. As I drive more, these slits will become more pronounced. But anyway, so it gathers the rain and the snow, provides better traction, will also cool the tire and improve the life of it. I was doing a lot of research on studded versus Sipe tires, and it was actually research published by Washington State, which is like my home away from home. But anyway, studded tires only perform better in very dry, icy conditions. If there's any sort of wet conditions or snow or anything, Sipes perform better in what they say is 95% of the time. So I decided to sipe myself, of course, as usual. So just some notes before I get into how to sipe. So what you're going to want to do is measure the tread depth and not sipe any more than half of that. So I'll get into that later, how to set the depth of your siping. And then on off-road tires that are going to see rocks, I'm not going to sipe the outside ones to prevent chunking, but on a normal tire, I am going to sipe all the way through. So this is the tire siper I bought. I'll put the link in the description. So it plugs in so it's heated, which really helps you cut through the rubber. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get these blades in a pack. Hold on. Okay, so you're going to take the blades and put them in the blade rail right here, just so you can break them off. So stick one out at a time, then you're going to need some pliers. We're just going to grab it and bend it to get a good snap. Then what you're going to do is, so they just fit in here however you want them. So this thing, you kind of push on it and it'll loosen up, and then you can place the blades in, space them out however far you want, however many blades you want, up to 13, and then get like a flat edge to get them all at the same length, again based on the depth of the tread earlier, and then we just lock it into place with this. Oops, I'm going the wrong way, but yep, that's easy. Okay, so some tire places won't sipe used tires because it'll fuck up the machine. So what you got to do is you want to clean these tires first. So if they're used tires, you want to wash them, and then I wiped them down with a rag as I went. And all I would do is jack up one tire and spin this. Here is the blades. So I'm just gonna drag it along. Actually takes a lot of effort. I'm not really doing it right now, even with the heat, and then just go around the whole tire. Again, making as many sipes as you see fit. I was doing 4 blades on each of these. They're called lugs, the different pieces of tread. And then on new tires, again, shouldn't be a problem. Take them to a shop. But yeah, it's pretty easy.